Okay, well, it's a bit windy today, so it might be a bit of wind noise. So there might be a little bit of wind noise, but this is a Mercedes E-Class that I picked up the other day, and it is absolutely immaculate. This car is 27 years old, believe it or not, and it is beautiful, very well looked after. I believe it's a deceased estate's car. And if you know, there's it's in beautiful condition. It's been really looked after. In fact, the Mercedes men at work type of sign has never been out. It's still brand new. Why I'm showing you this is in the new year I'm going to do a couple of segments on well, I suppose reconditioning some body panels, because although the interior is beautiful and the exterior is fine too, in Australia the sun is so harsh that it does suffer a little bit, or make the bodywork suffer a little by the gel coat on the top does flake off. So I'm going to be doing a couple of videos on how to deal with a problem like this and how to respray a panel and blend it in with the rest of the vehicle. Sorry about the wind noise, but there you are. It is absolutely beautiful, and it's a car that I've liked from when they first came out. So today's video is actually going to be making a keyring, a Mercedes Benz keyring on the CNC router using CAD. So come and join me. Okay, we're back in out of the weather. So today's project, we're going to engrave it into brass, and this is the raw material. This is a 1/4 inch brass sheet, very expensive material, and basically we're going to carve the whole project with this cutter. Okay, very sharp, and it's going to take a quite a small step over, so that we don't leave any any sort of marks in it. There will be some, but sort of not really visible, but we can polish them out, and we'll probably cut it out with a 1/4 inch end mill. So we'll just set up the zero start position, which is right there on the front of the material. So we're going to start this up at 20% of feed rate in Mark III, and when I see things are going okay, then I'll ramp it up. So here we go. making of a Mercedes Benz keyring in 3D. I've actually decided to break this up into 2 videos, otherwise it was going to be an hour long. So the video following this one will be a Cavco tutorial on how to make a 3D relief from a photograph actually. And don't forget, below this video, just above the comment section and at the end of the video in the comments, there is a Cavco discount code which is worth 5% across their product range. So it's bye for now.